grinding, no sleep. Chasing money bags, not fleas. It's good to come outside, Mo 3. I be trapping hard, dope beat.
What's good, sneakerheads? Welcome back to another episode of Shoe Talk. I'm J300, and today we're gonna be unboxing a shoe that has actually made me change my mind about it. I said no, but now I'm saying yes, because this shoe is actually pretty hard. Today we will be reviewing the Air Jordan 11 Rare Air. But before we get to the review, we also want to talk about the upcoming Air Jordan 12 Taxi that's going to be dropping for the first time since 2013. I will be putting out a review on this video as well. These come out a couple days after this shoe, but I'm going to put this one out first, then we're going to do this one. We already have out the Voodoo Jordan 1 lows. These came out yesterday. Today is October 30th, and these dropped yesterday. We have that review out already. Be sure to check that one out. And I'm also gonna put out the Cozy Girl 4s. These come out Saturday. And we're also gonna put out the Eric Costin SB Air Max review as well. Like I said, today we're gonna be reviewing the Rare Air 11s. If you really like shoes, you're in the right place. So we're gonna start with the box. Looks like it's a pull-out box. Has the little circle right there, as if it's a pull-out, but sorry to disappoint, this is not a pull-out box. This is a open-up, regular Jordan box. Size tag reads, deep royal blue, fire red, sail. Let's discuss the box first. Blue box, white Jumpman, red bottom. Like I said, it looks like, and we have the 23 on the side as well. Looks like it's a pull-out top, but it's not. Checkerboard paper here. Nothing special on the inside. I feel like they should have put a little detail in this area or something like that to sell the box a little bit more, but the box is pretty nice. But yeah, take out the shoe. There you go. The left shoe, the right. It also has this little tag on the inside. Make sure you got all that in there, the lot number, lot code, whatever. Boom. All right, so I guess I'll start with the left shoe. Got your bottom, got your Jumpman down here. Looks blue. Got red up here, blue down here towards the heel area. Whole bottom is sail. This is the part about the shoe that I actually like, because I don't have Jordan 11s, because I cannot stand when they start to turn yellow or they start discoloring at the bottom and they're ice blue, or say they're white at the bottom or that milky look and they start turning yellow. This shoe will actually play out pretty good with it having an aged sole on it. So that part I don't have to worry about. So that's one of the biggest determining factors for me, but also with the way the colors just hit and blend with each other, I gotta have these now. First, I was 100% no, I'm not getting these. I'm just gonna get the Gammas. I was gonna close the year out with just the Taxis and the Gammas, but it looks like I'm gonna be adding these onto the list. We have the white midsole here, the high patent leather cut, everybody hates the high patent leather cut here on these. Of course, on the grade school, it's gonna be smaller. You have sail leather up here as well. And on the lace eyelets, we have the word Jordan going down. Well, it's going up on this side, and on the other side, it starts here, it's backwards, and it goes down. This is some pretty good leather here. Let me zoom in closer so y'all can see it. We have the 23 on the back right here. Then we have the fire red Jumpman here. And then on the tongue, you also have another Jumpman. And on the back of the tongue, have this right here. And it says, quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. That is Michael Jordan. On the insole, let's take the paper out. Got paper on the inside. Take the insole out. Got a blue insole. Says Rare Air. Size tag up there as well. Go over the right shoe, same thing. It's backwards, same thing. Got your Jordan on this way. So it's the opposite. It's the exact opposite. You got Jordan starting down here this way. On this one, it starts at the top on the inside of this one, and it goes down. On this one, you start at the bottom and you go up, and vice versa on the outside. See? Yep, and on the outside, it's the same exact thing. These are small details to check for when you're buying these shoes from like a third-party platform or buying them from somebody locally that says they have them readily and they have the plug or whatever. But you want to always check everything. The Jordan be something that small that you don't see, and then you're like, oh, my shoe's not the same as, or they're fake. But yeah, all the details matter. So like I said, on the inside. Starts on the inside of the right shoe, Jordan, it starts at the bottom and it comes to the top and it ends. On the left shoe, Jordan starts at the top and it goes down to the bottom. On the outside, Jordan starts at the bottom, works up to the top, as you can see. Can you see it? And on this one, it starts at the top, J here, N here, goes all the way down, Jordan on that side. You all can see all that. But like I said, and then the tongue also is leather as well. Pretty good leather on this shoe. Really nice shoe. Got your 23s on the back. A lot of people don't like them, and I get it. Everybody feels like the Rare Air is a flop with the Jordan 3. I've just got the Jordan 3s on Shoe Palace for $130. All the Rare Air shoes are pretty good. The 1s, the 3s, the 4s, they're all pretty good shoes, but they just didn't do what people wanted them to do. They're not worth money like people want them to be, and that's okay, because that means people that actually like the shoe can actually get these shoes and possibly get them on sale. So it's a buyer's market, not a reseller's market. With that being said, that kind of wraps up this review. Hopefully you all liked the video. Hopefully you like the shoes. Share this with someone that's thinking about getting these. Share with somebody that likes sneakers and wants to see the 11s that's coming out. I know the 11s are the big thing at the end of the year. Pretty popular shoes. Everybody's waiting on Gammas. A lot of people dislike the Gammas. I like them. I'm gonna cop them, and I think I'm gonna add these to my list. These have changed my mind today with seeing them. Once again, this is the Rare Air Jordan 11. Retail price is $230. Release date is November 5th. Only releasing in grade school and men. And this shoe will not be as available as you think it will be, like the Gammas. I'm not gonna say these are limited, but they're not gonna be everywhere like your Foot Lockers in every single store. They're not gonna be everywhere. I know the JD by me said they're not getting them, and neither are they on Foot Locker's calendar. So, like I said, once again, this has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Be sure to check out all the other videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Till next time.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my day up here. The voicemail, I